video to show you how to control the intensity of the white LEDs on the submersible camera. 2 of these LEDs are on. If you want to turn all of them on, I've just turned off my light to show you here. And you can see the brightness increasing. And I did that by manipulating this controller here. So on the cable assembly of the camera, there is a little dial, and this lets you control the brightness of those white LEDs. We'll put it in the middle before shipping it out. And then you want to make sure that all the cable that's on the pigtail, it's this portion going to the top of the cable reel. Please do not submerge this, otherwise you're going to destroy this controller and you're going to corrode these signals. This is a 12 volt DC connector. Only use a 12 volt 1 amp, 12 volt DC 1 amp center positive, 2.1 millimeter connectors. And then this is my own BNC cable. I would take this off. This has an RCA connection on it.